inductive reasoning and disproving our statement using a counter example. All right, with inductive reasoning, we can never prove 100% that our conclusion that we get is true, but we can prove that it's not true if we can come up with a counter example. All right, so again, observation, come up with some kind of conclusion, and then look for ways to disprove it if possible. If we can't find a way to disprove it, that's a good indicator that it's probably true, but we can never prove 100% that it is true. All right. All the players in a professional basketball game he watched were at least 6'2". All right. So what does that tell us? Well, if every player on the team was at least 6'2", we could look and say, well, to play basketball, players must have to be at least 6 feet, let's say, tall. Well, we can keep going to basketball games and measuring or look up stats on the internet, and if we keep finding people playing that are above 6'2", that sure looks like it's a good, safe conclusion. But all it takes to disprove it, if we look until we find one counterexample, we can disprove it, and then we're done and don't have to wonder anymore. All right? Well, Isaiah Thomas is only 6'9", and he plays basketball, so now we've disproved our initial observation. All right, let's look at another one. 4 plus 7 is 11. 9 plus 3 is 12. 5 plus 5 is 10. All right, well, we look and we see whenever we add a pair of single-digit numbers, our result is a 2-digit number. Okay, so we can keep trying different pairs of numbers, but what we see so far is single digits always add up to a 2-digit number. Well, again, using this idea of counterexamples, all we have to do is find one case where that's not true, and we've disproven our conclusion. Well, no, that's not true, since 4 plus 5, 2 single digits, equal 9, which is also a single digit. So these are examples of disproving our conclusion we get from observations by coming up with just one counter example.